Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about access matrix. Access matrix, which specifies the protection security model for the protection state. It is represented as a matrix, and it represents the rights of each process within a domain to access a particular object. And the example of the access matrix is presented here. So if you observe the access matrix, we can tell that each and every row specifies one domain. Each and every column will specify the objects. And here, for example, we are considering we have 4 domains in our system, and we are considering 4 objects. Within those 4 objects, 3 are the files and 1 is the printed option. And here each element in the matrix will specify that what are the rights are there for the process which is executed in a particular domain with respect to this particular object. So if we observe this example here, in this cell it contains the access right as read. So that means the process which is executing in the domain D1 will have the access rights such as read access right for the file F1. Similarly, the process which is executing in the domain D1 will have the read access right of the file F3, and it doesn't have any access rights related to the F2 as well as this printer objects. So similarly, if we consider the D4 object, it has the process which is executing in the D4 domain. It has both read and write permissions for this F1 file, and even it has read and write permissions for this F3 file. So by using this access matrix, we can specify what are the access rights are there for each and every process which is executing in a particular domain with respect to the each and every object. And while executing the process, there is a chance of switching the process from one domain to the another domain. So always we need access matrix which specifies the association between the processes from switching from one domain to the another domain. That can be explained within this access matrix. So along with the previous options, here we have some more options related to this domains, related to this domain switching. So here we can say that the process which is executing in the domain D1 will switch to the domain D2, and it doesn't have any permissions to switch to the domain D3 and domain D4. Similarly, the process executing in the domain D2 can switch to the domains such as D3 and D4. So by using this access matrix, we can specify that what is the associations of the processes within the more than one domains. Thank you for listening.